This is the new Kaffe Fassett Oliso Smart Iron, and it's just one of the several bold tools in this special collection. Watch the unboxing to see everything included in this limited edition collaboration. So I received a box from Oliso. I'm going to put it right up here. And they have really been super generous with what they've sent me in the past. In fact, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this iron that I've been using. But my husband said that it's really cool because, you know, it has a smart iron. It goes up and down. He wants to try it. So, and he does his own laundry. Like he irons his own. He's ex-military. So anyway, this is going to go to Troy because I got a box full of goodies. All right, so let's take a look. So Oliso is partnering with Kaffe Fassett, and they have a whole product line of goodies that goes along with this collaboration. This is the pressing cloth tea towel. It's so pretty. I mean, if you didn't know Kaffe Fassett, of course you know Kaffe Fassett. He's this fabulous designer, and I've had the pleasure of meeting him in person. I ran into him at a museum in Chicago. But this is a pressing cloth of his. Very pretty. Really indicative of Kaffe's designs and style. So I'm not sure if this was a, not just like something that he did specifically with Oliso. So that's cool. Artwork. Art is life. All right. So we've got the pressing cloth and then the ironing board cover, and these are great. I've given these as gifts. I personally use the Ironmatic system, and so it has a different, well, you know, I've never tried this on here, but I kind of like what I've got. This one is super cute. It has those stripes that Kaffe has in a lot of his fabric, those big saturated colors, so that's cute. And then this is a prize for an upcoming quilt-along. And then, let's see, what do we have in here? We have this guy. This is, looks probably like the mini, but it's in a commemorative tin. I've heard tell about this, but I have not seen it in person. So let's, that's very cute. I have this fabric, and I just love it. But that's so cool, right? Anyway, that's the tin. And then, oh, I can't wait to add this to my collection. This is just really pretty. I love this blue. It's like I'm sure periwinkle's not correct, but I don't know. So this tin is really cute. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it or what I'm going to put in it, but it is definitely one that I'm excited about adding to my collection. Very cute. Let's see. And now this is the Oliso M3 Pro. It's a mini iron. There's so many. This is like, how cute is that? That's just, it matches that tin that I was just showing you. That's very cute. I love this. Bluish, purplish. Is it blue? Is it purple? Is it blue? I don't know. Love it. And then super long cord. Has a light. On-off switch. You can stand it up. Comes with the silicone. Oh, look, it has this, like, his logo. That's nice. What a nice collaboration. Very cute. Very cute. Yeah, it has a light, it has this precision tip, all sorts of yummy features. Love it. Okay, so then we've got the mini iron. Thank you so much, Oliso. I add this over to my wall of mini irons. I need to get more hooks. Let me put this aside. Is the piece of resistance. Look how pretty. Okay. Oh, there we go. Kaffe. need to put these aside. Oh, it says, dear friends, first of all, I love good tool. Okay, I don't want to spoil this for you. I'm not going to read the whole thing, so when you open yours, then you can read it. Now this is, it's called the Smart Iron, if you're not familiar. Oops, I just threw the little horror picture refill thing. Anyway, this is the Smart Iron. It's the, I guess it's called the 1600 Pro Plus. Am I wrong? I don't even know. Oh yes, it is TG 1600 Pro Plus Smart Iron. Gosh, I'm so smart. And a super long cord. And it's got that Smart Iron technology, you know, like when you touch it, it goes up and down just based on, I guess there's sensors or whatever in here. And of course it's got steam, no steam. It has this little reservoir, and I just threw the pitcher down there. But super long cord. I don't remember how many feet, but it's a lot. Oh, see how it just raised up? That leaves enough space. I'm going to turn it on. That leaves enough space underneath so it doesn't scorch your ironing mat. I'm not going to touch it, but see, I just barely touched it and it's going down. See? Isn't that cool? When I first owned one of these, I was just like, that is so cool. And I mean, not only is it cool, but it has this precision tip right here. It has a diamond, I'm going to say this wrong, diamond sole plate so that it doesn't get stuff stuck to it. Super hot, lots of different adjustments, turns off automatically. You can use water, just tap water, not distilled. This iron is fancy, it does lots of cool things, and it just makes me happy when I use it. So this is one of the things that makes my space even happier. So thank you so much, Oliso. I'm excited. This is a limited time collaboration between Oliso and Kaffe Fassett. If something caught your eye, don't wait. It won't be available forever. You'll find links to each product in the description.